of health and hygiene. It is a unit 6 and it's in 6th standard term 1 Tamil Nadu new syllabus book. Okay, let's get involved in it. First evaluation, first Roman letter, choose the correct answer. First question, our body needs dash for muscle building. Options are there: carbohydrate or fat or protein or water. What is the answer? Protein is the answer. Our body needs protein for muscle building. We already discussed in the previous video. Okay, in that previous video, detailed explanation of health and hygiene. The description is in the link is in the description. So if you didn't watch the previous video, means please watch the previous video, because then when you watch that video, means it helps you to answer these questions easily. So if you didn't watch, means please watch that previous video. That's a detailed explanation of health and hygiene. The link is in the description. Okay, here we know our body needs protein for muscle building. We already discussed briefly in the previous video also. So let's see second question. Scurvy is caused due to deficiency of dash. It's a deficiency of vitamin A or B or vitamin C or vitamin D. It's also we already discussed. Scurvy is the disease caused by a deficiency of vitamin C. So vitamin C is the correct answer. Next, see the third one. Calcium is an example of dash. It's an example of carbohydrate or fat or protein or minerals. Calcium is an example of minerals only. We already discussed it in the previous video. Okay. Next, fourth one. We should include fruits and vegetables in our diet because dash. Options are there. They are the best source of carbohydrate. Not option A is not answer, because carbohydrate is rich in rice and the wheat. So here they mentioned fruits and vegetable. So option A is wrong. Next is the option C. They are the best source of proteins. No. The source of proteins are what? It's a chicken, soya beans, like that. So it's also the not. Next, see the option C. They are rich in minerals and vitamins. Yes, fruits and vegetables are rich in minerals and vitamins. So option C is the correct answer. When you see the option D, means what they mentioned here, they have a high water content. What is the source of water content food items? So that's drinking water and the fruit juice. That are the water content food item. So here these fruits and vegetables are the rich in minerals and proteins. So option C is the correct answer. Next, see the fifth one. Bacteria are very small dash organism. We already discussed bacteria. The options are there. See, it's a prokaryotic microorganism or a eukaryotic microorganism or a protozoa microorganism or acellular microorganisms. What we discussed here earlier video, that is bacteria are what? Prokaryotic microorganism. Prokaryotic is what? Prokaryotic is nothing but the cell which is not having the nucleus, means it's a prokaryotic organism. So bacteria is a prokaryotic organism, microorganism, because bacteria doesn't have the nucleus. Okay. Next, see the second Roman letter, true or false. First one, there are 3 main nutrients present in food. Is it true or false? It's false, because there are 6 main nutrients present in your food. We know, we already discussed it. Okay. Next, see the next one. Fats are used as an energy store by our body. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Fats used to store energy in our body. Next one, all bacteria have flagella. Is it true or not? No, it's false, because not all bacteria have flagella. Only some bacteria have flagella. Okay, what is a flagella? It's a moving organ. Okay, we already discussed in the previous unit, in the unicellular or multicellular organism. Okay. Next one, iron helps in the formation of hemoglobin. Is it true or false? Yes, it is true. Next, final one, Virus can grow and multiple outside. Asked, is it true or false? Asked is nothing but our body only. Our body or a living, any living organism's body. So virus can grow multiple outside our body. Is it true or false? No, it's false. Virus can grow on multiple inside us. Inside is nothing but inside our body only virus can grow. I already discussed, I already mentioned these all things in the previous video itself. Okay, if you didn't watch means please watch it. Next, see the fill in the blanks. First one, malnutrition leads to dash. Malnutrition leads to dash, leads to deficiency disease. We already discussed marasmus cauchiaci or the malnutrition disease. We already discussed it. Next one, iodine deficiency leads to dash in adults. What? Goiter in the adults. Okay, yeah, this is also we already discussed. Next, vitamin D deficiency cause dash. If a person will have will lack the amount of vitamin D in its body, means what will cause to that person? So rickets is the disease caused to the person. Okay, next one, typhoid is transmitted due to contamination of dash and dash. It is also we discussed due to the contamination of food and water. So we already discussed it also. Okay, next is the fifth one, influenza is a dash disease. Influenza is a which disease? It's a bacterial or fungal or protozoal or a viral disease. Influenza is a viral disease. Okay, next, fourth Roman letter, complete the analogy. Here analogy is nothing but we have to give the correct word for a related manner. Okay, see the first one here, they gave rice, carbohydrate, pulse dash. Here they are mentioning carbohydrate present in rice and pulse is present in wire. Okay, so protein is the correct answer. Rice is a rich food item of carbohydrate and pulses is the rich food item of protein. Okay, next one, vitamin D, rickets, vitamin C dash. Here they mention the deficiency disease. So deficiency disease of vitamin D is rickets and the deficiency disease of vitamin C is what? It says scurvy. We already discussed it. No. Next one, iodine, goiter, iron dash. Here they mentioned if you lack the iodine in your body means it cause goiter, and if you lack iron in your body means what will cause your what will cause? Anemia will cause. Anemia is a disease will cause, it's a blood deficiency disease. Okay, so anemia is a correct answer. Next one, 19, chloria, bacteria and smallpox dash. Chloria is a bacterial disease and smallpox is a which disease? Smallpox is comes under which types of disease? It's a viral disease. It's a virus, so it's a virus. Okay, next, fifth Roman letter, match the following. Here they mentioned vitamins. We have to match the deficiency disease of each and every particular vitamins. Okay, let's see. First, vitamin A. If a person will lack the deficiency of vitamin A means that person will cause what? Night blindness disease. So vitamin A is a night blindness. Next, vitamin B, the person who lack the vitamin B means that person will affect the disease called beriberi. Okay, similarly the person who affect who lack the vitamin C in their body means that person will affect scurvy disease in their body. Okay, next, vitamin D, the person who lack vitamin D in their body means that person will affect the disease called rickets in its body. And the fifth one, vitamin E, the person who lacks vitamin E in its body means that person will have the more chance of affecting the disease called sterility. Okay, that's it. These are the answers of this match the following. Okay, next, sixth Roman letter, complete the diagram. Here they mention the component of food. We discussed it in the component of food. There are 6 component of food in the nutrients, but here they mentioned the 4 food components that are carbohydrate, protein, water, minerals, which water, vitamins. So what are the answer? What are the things missed here? That are minerals and fat. Okay, that's it. These 6 are the nutrient component and it comes under the component of food in our unit. Okay.